First I am turning on the TV. Please observe the problem on its screen. We can see a faint glow from the backlight and around its edges a light blue border is visible. So stay with me for just 2 minutes and as always you will learn something new. This TV's display panel is manufactured by BOE and its number is HV236WHB-N41. Okay, now let's get to work. First, it's essential to measure the voltages of the panel's power supply solution. We can see the panel's power supply or VIN is stable 12 volts. However, the AVDD voltage which should be 16 volts is missing. VGH is only 0.4 volts instead of the required 26 volts. VGL voltage is also missing which should be minus 8 volts as you can see on the meter. The VGL voltage is missing. In this situation, turn off the TV without cutting the CKV lines. Next, connect your multimeter's negative probe to the ground and set the meter to the ohms scale. Now, place the red probe on the VGH test point. See, there's no short circuit here. Next, gamma circuit. As you can see, there's no short circuit at the gamma reference voltage point. AVDD, no short circuit in the AVDD either. Finally, let's check VGL. As you can see, it reads 0 ohm. This means the VGL circuit is shorted. So, let's try to understand where the short circuit in VGL is located. In this circuit diagram, this is the 6861 AAQ power solution IC. You will see the VGL output is from pin 45. And from this pin, a filter capacitor is connected to the ground, which you need to check. And the second step, this is the logic level shifter circuit. To its IC pin 10 and 11, VGL voltage is input here. And from VGL, this filter capacitor is connected to ground. Therefore, it is important to measure this filter capacitor. Friends, what are the functions of this level shifter circuit in LED TV? To know that, you can visit ornatepixels.com. The link is in the video description. Okay, now let's measure this filter capacitor. As you can see on the meter, it reads 0 ohms from VGL to ground. This confirms a short circuit. So let's remove this capacitor now. Okay, now let's measure the VGL circuit again. About 12 kilo ohms. So there's no short circuit anymore. Therefore, let's install a 3.3 microfarad capacitor here. Connect the positive terminal of the capacitor to ground. Dear friends, subscribe to the channel, then press the bell button to get new video notifications. Like, comment, share please. Thank you so much.